And then just the next consideration in poster design is balance. And so balance can either be achieved through the use of color or just where you're placing parts of an image. And so this one of Solomon Mshlangu again, to some extent actually starts, you're familiar with the yin and yang, like circle and it's perfectly balanced. This image essentially does that. So if you draw a line down there, there's a bit of black on that side, there's a bit of white on this side, and it balances out. It makes it a visually compelling image to look at and also a pretty image to look at. In this one, color is used quite successfully. So the workers' rally in red is balanced by the red fist. And again, there you see the symbolism. But what's interesting with all of these points and these little gimmicks of like creating successful posters is that you can also subvert them. So in some instances, you want asymmetry. You want it to not be balanced because that in itself tells a story. And so here, the fist is infinitely stronger than what the hangman's noose is. It's asymmetrical, the one side's heavier, it's stronger than the flimsy little rope on the other side. We will save the 32. We will be victorious. All right, so balance is good sometimes because visually it's pretty. Your eye takes it in, it's balanced, it seems constructed and considered. But in other instances, part of the story is having it be asymmetrical. Okay, and then this is also from the In Conscription campaign. So you have the option of one guy, two guys, three guys. And so we're also told by designers that there's a thing called the rule of thirds. And then if we divide something up into three, it becomes visually compelling. Interior designers will tell you that if you're going to group vases together, just putting two together is just two random objects next to each other. But if you put three together, you're starting to create a grouping and it becomes something that's visually appealing. And so that's the rule of thirds. You have the 1, 2, 3. This image, that section is 1/3, that section is 2/3, but the 2/3 section is also itself then divided up into 3.